The daily code snippet. The section element defines a section in a web page. A section is a thematic grouping of content that is typically combined with a heading. A web page can be divided into sections such as an introduction, content, and contact information. The article element specifies independent, self-contained content. The article should make sense independently and ought to be able to be distributed on its own without the rest of the website. Examples of an article element include a post in a forum, blog, or news article. Presented by Designers Learn Code.